Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off smart replays and Messenger. So um, when we talk about how to turn off smart replays and Messenger, it means that you have the business suite app, and that means also that you have the automation already on, and you already created an automation on it. So once someone typed to you on Messenger, he gets the smart replays. So let's consider that I have this automation or this option on. Okay, hi, thanks for contacting us. We have received your message and appreciate you reaching out. So let's last name or full name, for example, add and then save. All right, and then save. Okay, so we have our automations. There are three automations. So how to turn these automations off? All right. So first you need to get this app from Meta, and it's called Meta Business Suite. All right. So let's get on this app after we download it, and to get there we need to go. Alright, so it's sends you directly to your page when you open this app. So you need to go into tools, there's three horizontal lines, and after that I just want you to go into settings, tap on settings and go into automations, the second option, and right here on automations tap on your automations right here in this section, and tap on the first one and cancel, or tap on here if it's checked, and tap on save, and do the same steps to the others, and that's it. That's how to turn off smart replays and Messenger, guys. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.